Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, businesses want all-in-one solutions for HR, payroll, and benefits. Rippling for Finance brings these together in one platform. Let's break it down. Rippling automates payroll, manages employee benefits, and integrates HR functions with IT and finance systems. You can onboard new hires, track time, and ensure compliance seamlessly. Its cloud-based platform connects all departments, reduces manual work, and gives teams real-time visibility into workforce and financial data. Rippling helps businesses streamline HR, payroll, and benefits while saving time and reducing errors. If you want an all-in-one HR and finance solution in 2025, Rippling delivers automation, integration, and simplicity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.